Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can create a new account on Cash App. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing, you have to make sure that you've already installed the Cash App application. And once you're done installing it, you have to tap on open. As you tap on it, next interface will be directed to login or sign up page in case you already had an account on Cash App. And if you remember the login details, then you need to tap on login and then enter your login credential in order to log into your account. And if you're new to Cash App, then you have to tap on sign up, and on the other interface you can either sign up using your email or your phone number. So then you can enter any of the following option. Next interface, you'll have to enter the verification code that will be sent to your phone number or an email. You need to make sure that you've provided a correct information. After you're done entering the verification code, you'll have an option to link your debit card or a bank account. So in case if you want to link your debit card or a bank account, then you need to type in your debit card number. And in case if you don't want to link any of these following options, then you can simply tap on skip in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next page, you'll be asked to create a cash tag. In simple word, it means a username. And after you're done creating the cash tag, tap on next. After that, you'll have to enter the zip code, and once you're done entering it, tap on next. And after that, you've successfully created an account on Cash App. So that is how you can create a new account on Cash App. That was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.